Very good morning, dear students. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Had your breakfast? Yes. Then let us start the class. Yes. Tell me what is the date today, children? Today the date is 27th. We are in the month of October. Year is 2021. Today it is Wednesday. Yes. English subject, right, children? Yes. Let us see the thought for the day. Yes. Excellence is possible without perfection. Okay. Yes. Then which class you are in? Yes, because I have not filled. Tell me. Yes, you are in grade 2. Yes. Then your subject is? Yes, English. Yes, your topic is revision. Okay. Today I will do the revision because we completed part 1. I will do the revision, children, and it might come for the test also. Okay. It will come for the test. So what you will do? You have to take one rough notebook or any rough notebook or revision book you can take. Okay. But it should be in 4 line only, and you have to. Yes, I will show few of the question answers and all. You have to copy in your revision notebook or rough notebook. Okay. Yes. Then we will start, children. Yes. See in the textbook, children. Please take out your textbook. Yes. Second lesson, children. Yes, we will be giving second lesson also. Here, see this picture again. Last test you have done, right? Yes, but again we are giving this. Okay, they have given this also. So this picture they will give and they will ask you few questions. Okay, like same in previous test you have done, no? Like that only. They will give multiple choices for answers. You have to select the correct answer. What the girl is holding on the book, what it is sitting, where is the girl, and what the girl is doing. Like that they will ask you questions. You have to choose the correct answer and mention it. Okay, are you getting, children? Yes. See, the last year's paper I will show. See, in this format only it will be there. This format only it will be. Okay, like that they will give the questions. So what the girl is holding in her hand? Yes, pencil, correct. What the girl is holding? See, pencil she is holding. Okay. Then who is sitting on the books? Who is sitting on the books? Yes, bird. Correct. Yes. Then girl is writing in a book. Which word rhymes book? Which word will rhyme the book? Look. Okay. Book. Look. Okay. Yes. Then next what we have? Yes. Next we have in the poem. That poem only, a mother for a book for my mother. Okay, in that poem only, what does the girl need to think of? What she has to need to think of? Yes, see. Yes, see here, second one. Okay, please children, copy down in your revision notebook this question and answer. Okay, what does the girl needed to think of? The girl needed to think of one good idea. Okay, please write it. In your book already are written, children, you have to write. Okay. Then next is, in the poem A Book for the Mother, what does the girl decided instead of buying book? What should she need to if she does this? Yes, if she need not to take the book, right? Then what she has to do? See, these both you have to read. Okay, you have to read. Yes, children. Yes, but you have to write the answers correctly. Like in the what does the girl decided to do instead of buying book? Instead of buying book, she will write. Okay, she will write the book. Okay, she will write the book. Like that you have to write. The child can write the book. Okay, girl can write the book. You will write better. Okay, what she need to do if does not. If does not means what she have to need to do. Need not to buy. She don't want to buy. Okay. Yes, like that you have to write. Then one of the reasons I like reading book is why you like to read the book. About that also you should write a copy. Okay. See, I will write 4th one on the board, children. One of the reasons I like reading book. I like reading books is I will give like this dash. What you will write? Why you like to read the book? You have to give reason. Okay. That and all I will not write answer. You should only write. Okay. You have to learn. Already you know. I have taught this lesson, right? Then easily you can write the answer for this, right? Yes. Then next is what is the synonym? Synonym of the underlined words. Take out your workbook, children. Yes, please take out your workbook in that. Yes, I will tell you. Wait. Page number 19, children. Yes. Page number 19. See, fully you should read this full. See, copy fully. Okay, don't write this exercise and all. Okay, just you should write the synonymous, underline the words given below. Okay, like that you have to write. Then this fully you should write. Okay, I will read. Listen carefully. My friends gave me a gift, box or present. In these two you should choose correct. Then the room is very neat, tidy, dirty. Okay, synonym means equal, what meaning should be there. Okay, neat, tidy is same only. Gift, present also same only. Okay, meaning is same, word is different. Understand? Third one, that is a beautiful dress, frock, sweater. Frock only is dress. So you have to write, choose and write correctly. This exercise is very difficult. Easy, hard. Difficult means hard. Okay. So you have to write that. Rewrite again the sentence. Okay. This exercise is very hard. Like that you have to write down. I'll give the space there. You should write. Even all these things like that only. Okay. I will underline. I will give answers also. You have to write the correct one in down. Are you getting, children? Yes. You have to write like that. Okay. No, I will not give the options. Yes, I will not give any options. I will give only sentence. You have to write correctly. Okay. Yes. Please copy down this. Then next we have meanings. Okay. Please take out meanings. Yes. Nothing but second lesson only meanings. Okay. See, I will read the meanings. You should write. The last page. Here it is. In textbook page number 9. Copy meanings also. Word meanings. Shelf. Boards fixed to wall on which one can keep things. Fairies. Small magical creatures with wings. Monster. Big ugly scary creature. Far away. A place that is far off. Idea about a person's mind. This meanings fully you should write. In this I will choose and give. Okay. I will give two meanings. Wrong meaning, correct meaning I will give. You should choose correct meaning and write. Okay. Yes. Then next we have. Yes. Take out your workbook again, children. Yes. I will show you. Wait. Page number. Yes. Page number 24. Okay. Page number 24. See, this I will be giving. Okay, eat dash a long neck, like that I will give. You have to write the correct one. Has. Okay, like that. So copy down this. Okay, four also you should write, but I will give in that two. Okay, yes, two things, two I will give you. Yes, children. So please copy down that. Okay. In this I will choose and give 2 or 3. I like how much I will choose and give. Okay. Even read these meanings, these examples also. From this also I will be giving one question I will be giving. So this also you should be thorough. Page number 25. Use of does and do. This also you have to practice. Okay. Yes. Then next is do or does. Again do or does. Okay. See this also. You have to copy this also fully. See like this. You have to copy. Okay. In this I will not give options, children. I will not give options in this. Like this option I will not give. Okay. I will give only sentence. You only should correctly you should write whether does or do. Okay. So please copy down this also in your revision notebook. Okay. Are you getting? Yes. Please complete it. Then next picture based question will be there. See example like this it will be. Okay. Like this it will be. I will give a picture of the dog. Then what the dog is doing, where the dog is, and what is the when it is sitting, evening, morning, like that you have to write. Then why it is sitting, simply it is sitting, or for water it is sitting, or anything you can write for what purpose it is sitting. Now then you have to write full sentence here. Are you getting, children? Like this I will give. Okay, can you see? Yes, this I will give. Okay, come. So be thorough with this also. Okay, yes. Then surprise question also I will give. Nothing, you need to color. Okay, countable nouns, uncountable nouns you have to color. Okay, that's all. Okay, we have done the revision today for FA2 children. We have done the revision. Okay, please, which all I showed, please complete it. That is only our homework, today's homework. You have to complete the revision in your revision notebook or rough notebook. Okay, and learn. Be thorough. Don't waste your time. Okay, children? Okay, then today enough. We will meet in the next class. Bye.